Guys, this is a picker card reading for those of you who are dealing with a third party situation. So, in this reading, I will see if you should stay with the person that you are dealing with in a third party situation, or you should move on and give somebody else a chance. Okay, it's a pick a card reading. I will pick three cards and then you have to choose one of them. And this is the energy of your person. So whatever they are, uh, they they think about you, the thoughts of your person that you are dealing with in a third party situation here, their thoughts will be reflected. So so these are the three cards. So pick any one, two, or three, and then we'll see what is in store for you. Now, for those of you who chose card one, we have the gem. So, the person that you are dealing with in a third party situation, they actually know that you are gem of a person, you are very rare, you are irreplaceable, and they strongly believe that you are someone which they would never find again. And they are right now very much confused, they are overwhelmed, they are not sure what decision to take or not. And they are they are forced to take a decision. Okay, they are attracted towards you, they are very much impressed by you, they know that you are irreplaceable. And uh, they that you are the one that they are not going to find. uh, you know but they are confused, and they are not very sure whether to stay with the third party or with you right now. They do not want to lose you at the same time, but they do not want to lose the third party also. So the person that you are dealing with, they are you know uh, they are not choosing anyone right now. And the card also suggests that in long run, they might come to you, because of course they think that you are something who you are someone with whom their relationship can become very easy and less challenging. And it is very easy to connect with you. And the connection that you guys have, it's very rare and it's very strong and it's very deep. So they realize your worth. If you are not in contact with this person because of a third party situation, then also the card means that they might come back to you because they are missing you. They are missing the bond that is shared with you. And for you, the guidance is that you have already proved your self-worth. And the the right person is going to recognize that, and the person that you're dealing with, they are actually recognizing your worth. So if you are in not in contact with them, they will very soon approach you. And if you want to know whether they will choose you over the other person, then this card says that the person is a very confused state of mind. They surely are leaned towards you more than the third party, because they know that you are the gem. And you are someone which brings the best out of them. But this there is a lot of turmoil, lot of confusion going on in their mind space right now. And they are incapable of choosing between you and the third party. So yes, this is the reading. Now, for those of you who chose second card, the card for you is the shaman. Okay. Card two, the person that you are dealing with, they are going through a process of awakening, and the shaman card says that it's a card of spiritual awakening, seeing beyond the something which cannot be seen. Okay, and they are, if they are not in contact with you, if they are engaged with a third party right now, they will come to you very soon, and they are realizing that this is the bond that is the soul connection that they have been looking for. And for most of you, you are not in contact with this person because of a third party situation, but the the silence in this relationship has made them realize that their true emotional and soul connection lies with you. And this card clearly says that they will come back to you once the veil is, you know has been slightly away from the from the front of them. They will come back to you, and uh, if you are see, you are the healer here, and not the wounded one. So the card says that if they come to you, take them in, because they are wounded and you need to heal them. Okay, they will approach you, they will come to you. This will not be very immediate, but with slow realization, you're trying to approach. You can see the hand here, right? They are trying to approach you, and when they separate, the third party is influencing them with a lot of efforts. They're making a lot of efforts to keep them with the keep your person with them, and they are under the influence of that third party. So once that influence is over, your person is trying to get over it. Okay, and you are the one whom they are asking for help. So if you are not in touch with this person, they might very soon approach you in order to ask you for help and guidance. And if they approach you even as a friend, try to help them in their need. Okay, because the card suggests that they are in the state of realization that you are the soul connection for them, but this realization is very slow. So once they understand the deeper purpose of this connection, they will leave the third party and they will come to you. And if they are with the third party right now, that means that they are still in that phase where they are blinded by all the light and the pictures that the third party is showing them. And once they are clear with the thoughts, they will come back to you slowly. The process will be slow, but they are coming back to you. They are choosing you over the third party soon. Okay, now we have the third card. So those of you who chose third card, the temple, the card suggests. So for those of you who are not in contact with this person, they are still thinking of you. They are in that energy where they are almost praying every day in order to be in touch with you, in order to get back to you. And their body is somewhere else, but their soul is with you right now. And the the uh, you are very sacred to them. You're very pure, grounding, and somebody who is of very divine nature. Okay, they see you with a lot of respect. And the guilt that they left you is actually forcing them to stay with the third party and not to come back, because they are ashamed of what they have done. This is what is happening. They're feeling guilty, and they are they are, trying to purify themselves. So the temple card says that the divine is doing its work, and once they will learn their lessons with the third party, and they are clear of their thoughts and mind, then they will approach you with purity and commitment, and not with confusion or guilt. So if they are coming back, they are coming back with a lot of stable and soul anchored reunion. And the temple card also suggests that you should not rush for them. Okay, be in your, you should stay in your sacred energy. They have a very strong opinion about you, that you are someone who is so godly that they have to approach you, and you will never come to them. So you need to maintain that respect, and the god is playing, the divine is playing its part. And once they are and you, this is also a guidance for you, that if you are having a divine connection with a god, you talk to them, you pray to them, you tell them that this is what you are feeling, this is what you want, and the sacred energy will work and bring that person in your life. Okay, so yeah, if you have any question, any suggestion, please drop it in the comment section below, and I will answer the question. And see you in the next reading.